Hi, I'm Ben Jedukidis, and I'm here to talk about my new book. Anyway, a lot of people had asked me how the jet became the jet. And so this book is about how I became the jet and my journey. My journey is the experience of my strength, my power, my understanding, my knowing. And this book here is about exactly my experience and my journey and how I became the jet. Now, a lot of people were wondering that what does it take to actually be a champion? What does it take to actually be on top? So this book here talks about my journey and how I became the jet. The good, bad, and the ugly all came at one shot. The good part about it is now I have soft cover and I have a hard cover. The soft cover is basically where most people get and take through and use a yellow highlight just to memorize. But then I have a hard copy which is one of a kind because again I only made so many of them and those are collector's items. So come and check me out, find out how the jet became the jet, and now on sale.